Hello guys, welcome to Easy Use Abubakar. Our today's videos is PowerPoint tutorial about PowerPoint, creating a basic simple presentation. So for example, today now we have the blank creation, how to create a new file. Okay, like for example, this is the title. Okay, this is the title and this is the body presentation. Like for example, in title we can write like this is the heading title, the header. We can write like ms PowerPoint 2021 ms PowerPoint, or let's say ms PowerPoint tutorial. Let's say tutorial, and then here we can write the let's say ms PowerPoint, let's say ms PowerPoint 2021, and then okay, sorry, 2021, and then again we can write let's say again ms PowerPoint ms PowerPoint 2022. So you can keep writing, you can keep going. Suppose if I want to create one more slide, okay, suppose if I want to create one more slide, I can click like you can click here if you want to create one more slide. Let me zoom it a little bit, okay, a little bit. Okay, if you want to create like one more slide, okay, suppose if I want to create one more slide, you can click here, you can click this one here, okay, then you can click it. Let me bring it. Okay, now we have the second slide, and then we have the second slide as same type of format is given here, so all is same, okay, all is same. So this is the second slide. So if you want to create new slide with some other format, so you can select here, which is a new slide. The second one, we click this one, okay, let me zoom it a little bit. The second slide, as you can see, we click here, okay, and then the third one, if you want to create new slide with some other format, then you can click new slide. The one is written here, which is it's a new slide, and these are the different themes available for each slide. If you only a title, you can select this option, title only. If you only want a title, you can select this option, title only, okay, you can select it. This is only for the title only, and we can cut it out, okay. And then if you want to compare two different charts, okay, if you want to compare like two different charts, two different tables, two different photographs, and etc., you can select comparison. So this comparison, it has two different charts, two different tables, and two different photographs, and etc. Okay, so this is all about the comparison. So based on your requirement, you can choose which type of theme do you want, just based on your requirement, okay. And then also by clicking this section, which is new slide, okay, and then also you can group them, layout, whatever is available, you can change it to some other layout. Select content with caption, you can select content with caption, and then existing layout is existing theme will change by existing layout theme, so you can keep customize and you can keep on typing whatever is required, and you can also change it to position. You can change the position of them. For example, let's say this one, I can bring this one here, I can take this one here, Okay, I can easily also move this one the way I want it. Okay, and you can bring them back. Okay, so how can I bring them back? You can bring them back by clicking home here and then select reset. click the reset. Okay, click the reset. So once you click the reset, and then it will come on the normal position, as you can see. Okay, everything will come on the normal position. And then if I have 3 slides and I keep on creating multiple slides, like for example I keep on creating multiple slides, like 1 up to like for example, let me click again, up to we have 6 we have 5, or let's say we have 6 slides. Okay, so if I have three slides and I keep on creating multiple slides, and I remember when I go for presentation I have 4 slides, I have 3 slides, which is introduction. So I can group these 3 slides itself. I can make one section and I can group it. I can rename the group selection and add section, rename selection. So you can group them. Okay, you can rename them. So PowerPoint, it is easy to understand, and it is easy to do whatever you want, just based on your just the way you want it. Okay, so and then again you can minimize them, and you can expand and collapse, remove them also. And that is one left. Okay, that is one left, which is let me go for it. There is 6 different options available. As those options, let us see one by one. The very first, as you can see, this 6 option. Okay, as you can see this 6 option. Okay, it is like shortcut for us. It is like a shortcut when you are doing creating a presentation by using PowerPoint. Okay, so this 6 options, it means no need to go for the menu bar or tags. Basically you will get it all on one place. You will get it all in one place. For example, this is the picture. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, when we this is the table. When we click the table, as you can see your table. And also when you click this is the graph. When you click, you will find your graph, different kind of graph, line graph, fiber area, different kind of graph, the way you want it. Okay, just based on your presentation. It's all about based on your presentation. And then also the third one, we have smart art. Okay, smart art, you don't have to go to the menu bar. Basically you will get it in one place. So you will get it in one place, no need to go to the menu bar. For example, what I mean is that no need to come to the insert here, no need to go for the insert. Click, we have smart art, chart, shapes. So no need to go to the insert, so you can get it in one place here. And then we also have picture. This is picture, and we also have online picture. Okay, this is picture, and this is we can insert our picture. Okay, and then also this is the online picture, and this is the media. Okay, media means what we can insert our video. This is online. Okay, we can insert media, we can insert video, and in our presentation. Okay, you just have to grab your video and then keep it here. So let's go for the format background. Okay, like for example in here we also have design. Okay, this is the different kind of design, the way you want, all the way you want it. Okay, so this is the design. Okay, for example, when I click here, when I click this one, our design will be changed. Okay, as you can see, the way you want it. And then if you click this one also, it will change. So we also have the animations. Okay, we have the animations the way you want it. Okay, while the time that you are going for the next slide, it will do like this, like this, like this, just the way you want it. Okay, like this, like that also. So this is all the kind of animations also. So this is the basic things that you will know about the PowerPoint. Okay, about the PowerPoints, guys. So you can also click the blank, you can make it blank. You can so let me show you one thing. Like in here also, you can make this one to the to reset it. Like this is the undo. Okay, and then also this one you can make it, like for example, it go back to the normal position. You can make them to go back to the normal position, just the way you want everything to become. Okay, so this is the normal things that you should have to know about the PowerPoint. We have, this is the menu bar. So as I explained earlier, no need to come to the menu bar. We have already have the 6 different kind of things that you need here. We have both of them. So this is all about the PowerPoint. So let's see one thing also. Okay, we have point pointer, and then if I want to make this animation, if I want to make this slide to go back to the normal position, I can click here. So I can make everything to go back to the normal position. As you can see, everything it go back to the normal position. And then if I want to make them to go back to the to restore it, you can also make it like that. Just click it here, it will just go like this, as you can see. So, and then again here we have format background. Okay, we have format background, which is you can change the background. Okay, like for example, our background is changing. If you click this one, as you can see, the background also is changing, and you can apply to all of them. You can apply them just the way you want it. Already our background now is being applied. Okay, and you can also use the scale, which is ruler. Okay, you can save the background, publish slide, and you can make it at ruler. Okay, you can make it like this one. You can break this ruler, and you can also just unclick it. Okay, and you can also reset the slide. So you can so this is you can also make the grid, just the way you want it. Okay, so let's go back to the normal position. The normal position it is. So this is all about the PowerPoint. It is very easy to use. So this is basically the basic simple presentation, okay, about the PowerPoint. So thank you guys. If you found this useful and very important, please don't forget to share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to make a good comment, and don't forget to like also. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you very much, and then I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Peace.